Welcome friends. I have made 12 videos about smart shopping for quality, health and dietary choices. This is part 1 and is about decoding food labels. I will take a pause at every slide so that you can go through the slide. When you pick up a packaged food item, do you really know what's inside? Let's learn how to decode food labels smartly. First, let's understand what is ingredients list. Generally, it's given on the backside of the packet. The ingredients are listed in descending order by weight. This means the first ingredient listed is present in the largest amount. If sugar, refined flour, or unhealthy fats appear at the top of the list, it's a red flag. Also be careful of hidden names of sugar like fructose, corn syrup and maltodextrin. Prefer products where natural, wholesome ingredients like whole grains, nuts, fruits are listed first. Now let's understand nutritional table. The nutrition facts panel tells you the amount of energy and key nutrients per serving. Focus mainly on calories. Are they reasonable for one serving? Fats, check for saturated and trans fats. Sugar, watch out for added sugar. Sodium, high sodium can lead to blood pressure issues. Compare similar products to choose the one with lower unhealthy components and higher beneficial ones like fiber and proteins. Calories, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, sodium are not good for the health, but vitamins, calcium, iron, potassium, fiber, they are all good for the health. In nutrition facts panel you will find serving information, calories, nutrients and daily value percentage. We will understand about this in details in later slides. Let's understand what is serving size trickery. Understand how small servings hide big numbers. Many products display nutrition for very small serving sizes. For example, chips might show values for just 10 pieces even if the bag contains 50 pieces. This makes the product look healthier than it is. Always check the serving size and do the math. Multiply the calories, sugars, fat, and sodium based on how much you realistically eat. Now let's take this example. About 13 servings per container. Serving size is about 17 chips, that is 28 gram. And the sodium content is 10%. So multiply 10% with 13 servings, that is 130%. That means if you eat this entire packet in a day, then you are taking 130% of your sodium needs, daily value. So 30% more than the sodium you actually need. So just think how big is the health risk. What does percentage DV mean? Percentage DV tells you how much of a nutrient per serving provides towards your total daily recommended intake. DV means daily value. It is calculated per serving, not for the entire pack, unless the pack has only one serving. If you not understand a previous slide, then go to the previous slide to understand it better. Since this is very important, let's take two different examples. So example 1, single serving pack. Suppose a snack pack says serving size 30 gram. Nutritional info per serving is sodium 25% DV. This means if you eat one serving 30 gram, you get 25% of your total daily recommended sodium intake. If you eat 4 such servings, 4 into 25%, that is 100% DV, that is your entire day's sodium limit would be consumed. Now let's take example 2, multi-serving pack. Suppose a big pack has net weight 120 gram, serving size 30 gram, so one pack is equal to 4 servings. If the label says sodium is 25% DV per serving and you eat the whole pack, that is 120 gram, you consume 4 servings into 25%, so 100% daily value of sodium you have consumed. How to use daily value percentage to judge if the food is healthy. The percentage daily value helps you understand how much a nutrient in a serving of food contributes to your total daily diet. General rule: 5% or less means low, 20% or more means high. Look for low percentage DV for saturated fat, cholesterol and sodium. Seek higher percentage DV for fiber, vitamins and minerals. So for healthy nutrients, percentage DV should be 20% or more, but for unhealthy nutrients like fat, cholesterol, sodium, DV value should be less than 5%. Key points to remember: percentage DV is based on one serving, not the full pack. Always check serving size carefully before interpreting percentage DV. If you eat more than one serving, you must multiply the percentage DV accordingly. Some nutrients like fibers, vitamins, you want to reach 100% DV daily. Other nutrients like sodium, sugar, saturated fat, you should not exceed 100% DV. Now here is the chart of the standard daily intake values based on a 2000 calories per day diet, which is the reference for most packaging labels like FSSAI and FDA, etc. Generally, you need 2000 calories energy daily. Total fat should not exceed 78 grams, saturated fat 20 grams per day, cholesterol 300 milligrams, sodium 2300 milligrams, total carbohydrate 275 grams. Dietary fiber 28 grams, added sugar 50 grams, protein 50 grams, vitamin D 20 micrograms, calcium 1300 milligrams, iron 18 milligrams, potassium 4700 milligrams. Do watch all the parts about smart shopping. The links are given in the description. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.